Every day begins with a choice to walk past or to stop and care. Emma saw Ben drop his lunchbox. Without a word, she smiled and helped him pick it up. From across the street, an old man watched quietly, his eyes soft with a knowing smile. Just ahead, the old man's foot caught the curb, his cane slipped, and the world seemed to pause. The puppy barked and ran toward him, a tiny spark of courage lighting the moment. Emma and Ben rushed over, helping him to his feet, 3 hearts connected by one simple act of kindness. They shared a sandwich and a laugh beneath the golden light. Gratitude filled the quiet air. Together they walked home, the sun following, brighter because of them.
Even the smallest act of kindness can light someone's day, and sometimes it brightens your own.